Hello friends, welcome by KSD Learning Time. Today we are going to learn the poem Noses from English Marigold book of CBSE class 4th. In our unit first already we have seen the poem Wake Up. Now we are going to see the poem Noses from unit 2nd. So let's start to read and explain the poem. Noses. I look in the mirror and look at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. In this poem, poetess says that everyone have different types of faces and nose shapes, but in this poem there is one girl, and whenever she looks at the mirror she looks at her nose and thinking, my nose is very funny because it is coming out of her face. She finds two holes in it, which is very strange and funny. इसका मतलब इस पोएम में जो लड़की है वो जब भी मिरर में देखती है तो वो पहले अपने नोज़ को देखती है, नाक को देखती है. उसको अपना नाक मतलब एकदम फनीएस्ट और स्ट्रेंज थिंग लगता है, क्योंकि वो चेहरे के बीचों बीच ऐसे बड़ा हुआ है जिसको दो होल्स है जिससे हम ब्रीदिंग करते हैं. वह उसको एकदम स्ट्रेंज और फनी लगता है. नाउ वी विल सी नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम. I look in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with, like a handle sticking there. Here also she looks at herself and find her nose is very funny between her chin and head and in the middle of the face, just like handle fixed onto a door. यहाँ भी उसको उसका नोज मतलब एकदम डोर पे लगे हुए स्टिकिंग हैंडल जैसे फनी और स्ट्रेंज लगता है. नाउ वी विल सी लास्ट स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम. इफ एवर यू वांट टू गिगल एंड शाउट एंड कांट थिंक ऑफ व्हाट टू डू इट अबाउट, जस्ट लुक इन द मिरर एंड देन नो डाउट यू विल सी हाउ फनी योर नोज स्टिक्स आउट. In this stanza, she tells to child, if you want to laugh at something but cannot find one, then you can look at your nose in the mirror. She says that the child will find so funny and strange that her nose grows out of her face. यहाँ वो बच्चों को बता रही है अगर किसी को हंसना है और हंसने के लिए कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है तो वो मिरर में अपने नोज़ को देखकर हंस सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो एकदम फनी वे में स्टिक किया हुआ है. Now we will see new words of this poem. First one is mirror. Mirror means surface of glass which reflect an image. Second one, funniest. Funniest means amusing or strange or odd. Then third one, breathing. Breathing means process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs. Now fourth one is sticking. Sticking means push sharp or pointed object. Now last one, giggle. Giggle means laughing in silly way, lightly and repeatedly. Now here is fun time. Sit in groups, look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Use words like long, round, oval, slanted, sharp, flat. To help you, you can use other words also. It means you want to observe the nose of your friends. In this activity, you want to write about your favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. If you like mango, you can write about mango. If you like strawberry, you can write about strawberry. Now we will do a breathing exercise. For better understanding, you want to see the pictures. So first step, close your right nostril with your right thumb. Then second one, inhale slowly through your left nostril till your lungs are filled with air. Now close your left nostril with your second and third fingers. Fourth one, remove your finger from the right nostril and exhale through it. Repeat this exercise slowly in the beginning and with practice increase your speed. Now one more interesting activity is there for us. So let's see what is that. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and off he goes. Who is he? I think this is the rabbit. Yes, correct. Now we will see the question. Write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. Now here you want to write 3 rhyming words pair. For example, guess, watercress, then small, all, then third one, nose, goes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes and English grammar.